I'm just your typical guy breaking it out of the box and firing her up. Alright guys, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about the Buddy Heater Flex. Now, we've all seen these. We've had these for years and years. 2020, 2021. What is this thing? We're going to crack into it and take a look. So this is the Buddy Flex by Mr.Heater. They didn't send me this. I went out and bought this, and I said, I got to do a review or something because there isn't anything out there on this yet. And, you know, we need to know what it is. Ooh, nice handle right off the bat. Let's see. I hope it's not too bigger than that, but the heating and everything, it should be good. I'm going to hook it up and run it and everything. Okay. Kind of big, but pretty decent. Oh, and another thing, let's touch base on. There's a cooking part for this. Does not come with, you have to read the fine print. I was kind of like, hey, cooking stove thing, but no, does not come with it. But right off the bat, okay, we put the propane cylinder in the back, and this is like, I'm just winging it, guys. So let's see what we got. Ooh, it's even on like a little, I think that's how the big buddies were too. I haven't had one of these in a minute, guys. These things are always fun to thread in when it's 30 below and you're in the ice shack. And it's a good day to do it on because it snowed last night, first snow of the year. So, drop that down in there. Here, a little compartment. I should probably read the directions first, but who does that? We got a battery. Okay, what's the battery for? Let's figure it out. Battery cover. Let's get this battery in here somewhere. I think this thing's got electric light on it. Okay. Right here on the side. That's where the battery goes. Slap that bad boy in there. Okay. Now you see in the quick 30-second video of the ice shack, they plug it in on the tailgate to heat up the on the cooker stove. That's probably where that accessory plugs in at. So, first thing off the bat that's kind of odd to me is that everything's in the back of it. So if I have this thing like out in front of me, like this, to dial it, it's all in the back. I don't know if I'm a fan or not. So we got accessory mode, we got heater mode. Let's show you that. So heater is on this side, and then it looks like accessory would be on this side for that stove. So we're gonna turn it all the way to there. Ignition. Like the old ones, you might have to push in and let it kind of prime up. Hit the button for a minute. I do like that electronic ignition. Pretty quiet. Instead of the old ones, we all remember the whole, you know, the days of that are gone. Now it's just, okay, so let's see. There we go. Pilot lights on. Very quiet. Slowly let out. Okay, and they say this is pretty windproof too. We're gonna let her buck all the way. Full force. Ho ho, look at that. See my breath? Not bad, not bad. Woo, look at that, fancy. So, not too big actually compared to the other old, you know, the standard Mr.Heater. You know, size comparison. Very close actually. I thought it was a little bit bigger, so I was taking it out of the box, maybe a little wider. But I'm excited for this. Nice little compartment on top. Maybe if you're out ice fishing or something, you can just kind of set some stuff up on here. I'm sure there's going to be guys making little fabrications, tip this down and make a little spot for a can of soup or something there, even with the cooker accessory on it. That's that there. Little rotation for you. Do have a little pocket over here for something. I'm just your typical guy breaking it out of the box and firing her up. Smells kind of funny. That's that new smell. Well, it's pretty self-explanatory. Always read your instructions because there's always fun stuff in there that you need to know. But yeah, I'm liking it. I really am liking it. I'm gonna turn it down to low, see if she changes a little bit. Yep, it's working. Look at that. Back to high. Yeah, this thing's gonna be nice. And you can just put it even like put it in the corner of your shack and still give off that whole. And I can feel heat here and feel heat here. So it's getting off a good, you know, good little bit there. Wonder if it has like that trip mode in it. Yep. She's got to. Let's start it back up. That startup is unbelievable. But guys, I'm coming from one of these. I don't know if the oldest, latest ones have that little click in them. Wicked. This thing's awesome. Check it out. I think it's pretty cool. Yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this little review video. Hope it helps you decide if you want to get one or not. Like I said, it's about the same size as the old standard little guy, and this thing's been through the runs. I've had this one for like, I've literally had this one for 10 years or so. Still works. But time for an upgrade. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.